So we're going to Alaska this summer, and this is our current setup. A little chaotic and a little overwhelming, and definitely in need of a change. While looking at our current setup, I noticed that we had some blank wall space, and I thought maybe we could throw some solutions onto there. Enter in RUX, a Canada-based company that specializes in getting your gear organized with a durable, practical organizing system that all works with their 70-liter bin. But we're going to shake it up a little. We're taking those smaller components and throwing it into our build. Here's a spot here, there, and on the doors. We currently have a Velcro strip there for a makeshift solution, and also to cover a hole I cut in the wood. Oops. So maybe we'll just toss some patches on instead. Anyways, let's get started. I'm going to show you how we're taking these RUX organization components and turn them to a storage system for our truck. Okay, let's get to it. I'm installing these utility rails from RUX to anchor our storage components to the surface of the interior. You can also screw them in, but I decided to use double-sided tape because I didn't really want to drill holes. Something that I love about this solution is that you can swap out between the organizer panel and the pouches, which gives you some versatility in how you want to store your stuff. Now with all of them in place, it kind of feels like we have too much storage, but it's a good problem, and I'm sure we'll fill them up pretty quickly once we're on the road again. So I'll just get started now. RUX recently came out with these packing cubes as well, and I'm super stoked to try these out with our interior because we don't have much space for our clothes, so the more we can jam into this and cinch it down, the better. In our initial build for driving down to Argentina, we included a spot behind the passenger seat to store the 70-liter bin, and it worked so well. It was a way for us to pack year-round when we went away from the truck, and also a spot to keep our larger items that we need access to more often. To keep access easy for clothes, the packing cubes are going to be stored on these shelves behind these sliding doors. We put some paracord on a few of them just to distinguish between Josh and I's stuff. With our new RUX system in tow, we are ready to hit the road for Prudhoe Bay, Alaska. This will mark the completion of our Pan American journey we started back in 2023. We would like to say a huge thank you to RUX for hooking us up with all this amazing gear and sponsoring our way up to Alaska. Come along for the ride and see what we get up to on our way north.